Wooden clocks bring a touch of nature and elegance into any space. Whether you prefer a modern wooden clock or a rustic wooden clock, the design options are endless. From handmade wooden clocks to unique wooden clock models, these pieces can be crafted to suit various styles and spaces. In this article, we will explore different wooden clock ideas, wooden clock designs, and wooden clock models that will inspire your next DIY project. When making a wooden clock, the process is as enjoyable as the result. You can choose between wooden wall clocks, which make a striking statement, or wooden table clocks that add a cozy charm to desks or shelves. A minimalist wooden clock with a natural finish is perfect for those who enjoy simple and clean designs. On the other hand, a rustic wooden clock with distressed wood and visible grain adds warmth to a traditional or farmhouse-style room. If you are looking for a modern wooden clock, consider sleek lines, polished wood, and metallic details for a contemporary look. A unique wooden clock design can also incorporate natural shapes like slices of tree trunks, highlighting the organic beauty of the wood itself. For those who enjoy detailed craftsmanship, a decorative wooden clock with hand-carved accents brings an artistic element to any decor. A DIY wooden clock project is a great way to personalize your decor. For example, a modern wall clock with geometric shapes or a natural wooden clock using reclaimed wood can bring character to your home. These projects are not only rewarding to create but also result in pieces that enhance your space. With some basic tools and creativity, you can turn a simple piece of wood into a functional work of art. Here are some tips to help you get started with your wooden clock project. First, choose high-quality wood that fits your desired style and finish. Sand and smooth the surface to avoid any splinters or rough spots. Next, consider the clock mechanism, ensuring it complements your clock's size and thickness. Lastly, experiment with stains, paints, and finishes to enhance your clock's appeal. Whether you are making a wooden clock as a gift or adding one to your home, these ideas and tips will guide you through creating a beautiful piece that reflects your style. From rustic wooden clocks to modern minimalist designs, a wooden clock is a timeless addition to any room. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative DIY projects and home decor ideas. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.